How many cycling YouTube videos start with their bike in the toilet? Don't worry, I've not been sleeping in here. I've just been parked up the road. Second day of my trip here in the Peak District, straight out of Haversage. It's a 400 metre climb. Great way to start a ride. 400 metres straight out of the town. So I'm just heading back into Haversage once again for the second time, because I discovered the bar tape on the drop there, the old unravelling. And they was pretty naff anyway, but I've got back there and just got a couple of tie wraps on them. So I had a little bit of a warm up now, I guess, but it's a slow grind. Been 2 years maybe. Did it during the Lord Axe. Well, as soon as you got to the Stannage Edge, on that particular Old Axe, there was an impromptu control point up there. You know, somebody is serving food out of a car boot. So the last 48 metres to go off this 270 metre climb. The last push to the top. The entire road snaking its way down there. If you ever fancy doing this climb, don't. No, it's a great one. But that first bit is tough as. Back round before I get held off by the Instagram police. There we go, that's better. Really, I was talking about an Old Axe taking place in this area. Well, I found the exact spot where the control was. The van parked up there, table up on that grass there, me sat up on that bench there, and admiring that amazing view. Quite something. thought I'd share with you the surroundings and the gloominess of Derwent Reservoir. No, really, it's a nice place to visit. Don't let me put you off. Lots of good people visiting, dressed appropriately. Now this part is closed Saturday, Sunday, so you can come down here with your family. Down Busters 200 is the name of an Audax. Everybody was on, oh, I say everybody, most people were probably on road bikes. And that was in February as well, possibly early March. So coming up to Horsepacker Bridge. Which is the return point. Trying to come back again. I think it's going to be headwind all the way back, so it means rain in the face. But yeah, beautiful turning around point this. I'll tell you what, one day when I get a mountain bike, just jump it in quickly. Once I get a mountain bike, I'm going to go that way at some point, I think. See where that leads. I don't know how well you can see the rain coming down. Just a bit more than a drizzle now. Grab my camera before I get too composed. So where I am right now, I'll pop it up on the screen. I'm just above Hope, just on Pindale Road and Siggate Road, and wow, yeah, it was steep, but also headwind all the way up, and it's the slowest I feel like I moved on tarmac for a very long time. But it's not even got any views because it's pretty miserable. Oh yeah, it's been drizzling all the way up as well, so I've had to keep yourself covered at the same time. Pretty tricky, but I managed to ride it without walking and getting rained on, so I'm going to continue to make my way to the very top. Climb Pro told me I reached it, but there's a little bit more to go. And if I look at the screen, what's left, there's a way of scrolling through the different climbs in there. I think it's that one. There we go, upcoming climb. So we've got, this is what I'm on now, I think. 7, 8, 9. There's 9 altogether. And we're on run number 5. And it's going quite well. Good for time. It must be getting up towards 1 o'clock, I think. Here you go, 10 past 1. 39k to go. Sounds like I'm going to finish before daylight, before the sun goes down, which I should. But it's been pretty slow going for a little while. And I think it's mostly road now. Which will keep me pace up a little bit more. That doesn't help with the pretty substantial headwind. Anyway, enough talking, let's move. Whew, turn the corner. Hopefully that's the last of the headwind. God, it was that bad. It reminded me of the section during the Pan-Celtic race in Wales.
Oh. What a funny holiday. Oh God.
Highest pub or whatever it was. Oh. Character building. Top of Monster Head. Just had to be done. Rather interesting climb I've given myself right on the edge, which you just pulled in because I can hear a car coming up, and it's a really narrow climb, so Let's just let him get past and I don't have to fret. So when I looked down, it's about 15k to go, something like that, 9 miles. Yeah, I didn't exactly make it flat though, so I need to get back before dark really, because the front light is flashing red, which is never a good sign. Of course I do have the helmet one on just in case, but that's always a backup. So actually pushing downhill, it's St William's Hill, because my rear brake has gone and it's not very nice. Had a bit of a dodgy descent earlier, it was a bit greasy and the back wheel lock. It's all tarmac, but it was just very fast descent and my brake was knackered and I was like, couldn't quite handle it properly on a hairpin coming up. I just went straight into the corner, managed to stay upright. Yeah, so that was a bit lucky. That's nothing to sort out before Guananchi in a few weeks' time, end of March. Add that to the fact I want to get an ultrabite tyre to match the front one. The tyre in the back is about 14 months old now, and given out the mileage that I get up to, probably due another tyre. Get some handlebar tape on as well. Anyway, unless anything interesting happens, I shall leave the video here. It's not a walking channel. I slowly make my way down to Haversidge. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, why not hit that button now before you forget? Give the video a like. Comments, questions, stick them down below. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye. This is not the way how I wanted it to end.